Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to be unboxing the SwitchBot contact sensor. Um, it's to where you put it on your door, and then you're able to see if the door's open or closed. It also has a motion sensor on it, so you can see motion in front of your door. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over home automation, so we're installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So, if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. So I'm going to be unboxing the SwitchBot contact sensor. This works with Alexa, Google, Siri shortcuts, IFTT, and then SmartThings. It uses two AAA batteries, which roughly 3 years lasting time it looks like. And then so I'm going to be unboxing it now. So take off the seal right here at the top. Okay, now I'm going to open it. And then there's the contact sensor. And then there's the user manual. Nothing else is in the box. So I'll put that aside. And looks like it has a pretty extensive user manual. So I've noticed with SwitchBot stuff, the user manuals are pretty big. You can probably find other things online for it though, too. Okay, we're gonna open the plastic, see what's in here. If I can get the plastic open. Comes with sticky on the back. Then there's the contact sensor. I believe that's the motion sensor. Then let's see about opening it up. There's the two AAA batteries, which it comes with it right here. So comes with stickiness. And then the two AAA batteries. So you can just put them in there. And then put the cover back. It's pretty small. There's the AAA batteries, and that's how big they are. Then here's the magnet. So the magnet is almost the size of the, there you go. Keeps on magneting to the AAA batteries. And then it's got the screws to put on a wall. So that's what's in the SwitchBot contact sensor. So we can go ahead and put the AAA batteries and get this on the network. So I just showed you what's in the SwitchBot contact sensor box, and these are going to be really handy for our doors, to where if the door is open, the lock does not lock, and if the door is closed, the lock can lock like normal. So it just made it to where the locks are smarter. So that's my intended plan. If you like this unboxing, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need support, you can go down to the Big Bear community and join our Discord. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.